Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by closing extras and confirming prerequisites, active extensions, display scaling, and multiple monitor setup. Once done, open a single Chrome window and try Alt+Space, then select Maximize to test window state. Make sure Chrome is not in full screen, press F11 to exit. You should also temporarily disable extensions that affect UI. These first steps isolate the issue, so subsequent fixes target Chrome rather than system-level window or display configuration. Next, dive into repositioning and profile checks. You can reset position by right-clicking the taskbar thumbnail, choosing Move, and nudging the window with arrow keys until it snaps, then Maximize. If that fails, disable all extensions at Chrome, //extensions and test some alter window behavior. Create a new Chrome profile via the user icon to see if your profile is corrupted. Make sure to restart Chrome after each change so the effect is clear and reproducible. To finish, restore defaults or reinstall. Use Chrome //settings/reset to return Chrome to default settings. If that does not fix it, uninstall Chrome, remove leftover user data, then reinstall the latest version. Make sure to update GPU/display drivers and reboot because driver conflicts often cause Maximize issues. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: test in a different OS user account or a clean Windows session. If Chrome behaves normally there, the problem is local to your profile or settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.